Building our nation's aircraft carriers and submarines is a job like no other. Shipbuilders commit themselves to the journey, and a passion requires hard work, urgency, and dedication.
For 140 years, Newport News Shipbuilding has produced vessels such as tugboats, tankers, aircraft carriers, and submarines that carry on our legacy of always good ships. In times of war, disaster, and uncertainty, these vessels have sailed around the world, always ready to protect freedom and project American strength.
It is what lies behind all the drawings, the critical welds to paint, the miles of electrical cable, and core foundations that makes these ships seaworthy. But most importantly, it's the men and women who have relentlessly brought their heart, body, mind, and souls through the gates every day to bring these engineering marvels to life for our nation.
2026 is an important year as it marks the 250th anniversary of America. And in doing so, we proudly celebrate this occasion as our shipbuilders stand firmly behind the stars, stripes, and the red, white, and blue that are the pinnacle of who we are and, more importantly, what we do. For every American, for the brave men and women who serve this grateful nation, and for the greater good of the world.
As shipbuilders, we know what's at stake.
We understand that our work matters now more than ever.
We are committed to quality.
To secure the freedom that we all enjoy.
We are ready and we are able.